Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I thank the honourable member for the question. Firstly, I would like to highlight the role the Ministry of Fisheries plays to achieve the sustainable use of all marine resources to ensure its continuous existence. Most of the marine species that have moratoriums imposed on them are usually due to their current unstable status. Madam Speaker, the decision to set up a moratorium for a particular species is usually based on the scientific data which indicates an overexploited fishery, which shows signs of rapidly declining population. These species are considered to be most vulnerable due to their specific biology and their natural ability to replenish its population. Madam Speaker, sustaining threatened species means protecting spawning and nesting grounds to ensure species reach maturity and reproduce. The need to set up a moratorium helps to ensure that economic or sale of these species is regulated. The mere reason is that commercial demand and harvest is the main cause of over-exploitation. Madam Speaker, as an example of such a vulnerable species is those of turtles. Turtles, which are harvested for its commercial value in the 1800s and up to the 1990s, this period, turtles were identified to be critically endangered. While turtles were traded not only for its meat, derivatives and artifacts, it was developed from its parts, which made it vulnerable. Noting its vulnerability, the first step in protecting turtles was announced in 1997. Fiji imposed a total ban on the harvest of turtle, which was followed by a moratorium announcements that occurred thereafter. This initiative set a perfect platform which helped initiate a widespread protection of the 5 turtle species we have in Fiji. Madam Speaker, moratoriums are important. It allows to implement a precautionary approach when managing our limited resources. For a country such as Fiji, setting up a moratorium allows us to effectively revive depleting or threatened stocks while limiting the impact of commercial demand. Thank you, Madam Speaker.